Mayor of Tampa, Florida, Jane Castor. Mayor Castor, it's great to have you here. I know you have a lot going on. What is your number one message to Tampa residents tonight?
10 to 12 foot surge, you're going to die. You need to prepare.
Wow, you don't say something like that. That is an incredibly blunt message.
Put that in perspective.
Like you mentioned, they explained they're going to be riding this out.
You are able to make your own decisions, but I will caution you. It's
calm before the storm. Birds still chirping. Nigga still working. My nigga Dave down there. The white dude, but he cool, so that's my nigga.
Goof. Niggas running you down out the roof. Had to constantly get in the booth. 50 words ain't nothing but the truth.
Wifey at work, stuck till Friday. You got it under control, man. So tonight, what I'm doing, what we got the essentials, you know what I'm saying? We got some wings, fried hard. Gotta be fried hard, eh? We got some homemade fries in this thing. Hold on. We got the big ass thing of Kool-Aid, dumb ass thing of Kool-Aid, you hear me? Yeah, the SB, the Neho, yeah, you hear me? But to top it all off, tell me you from the Midwest without telling me you from the Midwest. That bone sherry, mild sauce. You know what else I got? We finna get right now. You ain't got half. Yeah. So will come as we do with you. Tell me, baby. We good down here, Brody. We good. Power went out, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. I kind of expected that, but yeah, man. Other than that, I'm good, man. Gassed up, and gassed up. Drink, food, man, I'm coolin', you know what I'm saying? That's what I like about Central Florida. Like, by the time they get here, they be way cooler than what they was when they started off. If you on them coasts, ugly. And by the time it get to us, it'll be a category 1, so that ain't too much of nothing. On here for a second, I know a few people have been hitting me up. So just in case a few people might watch this live, they'll see like your boy straight. You already know what I'm on. Yeah, I'm in this bitch, man. Finish this off. I don't know, wifey say I gotta say something for her when she get off, so I ain't gonna drink it all. But I'm gonna drink enough for it. Man, let me see, man. I just woke up. Let's see what the backyard looking like. Damn. Oh yeah, I knew I heard that. I knew I heard that motherfucker fall over. I definitely heard that shit fall over. Look at you know, I forgot all about this. We ain't go nowhere. Morning man voice. But yeah, this motherfucking tree just will not fall though. That's the one that should have fell. That motherfucker right there. Why he ain't fall yet? This dead ass tree just will not go down for nothing. Yeah, he done. Still a little windy. We're gonna see what the front looks like. Oh yeah, not too crazy. I smell them grills going on already. Other than that, everything copacetic. Look. Everything good. Branches and shit, man. Or branches and stuff. Other than that, we gravy, man. So your boy surviving off PB&J's, you feel me? It's all good. Power probably be back on today, tonight sometime. It's what it is. One question though, peanut butter and jelly, what you doing? Grape jelly or strawberry jelly? Just to let you know, if you say strawberry, I'm finna judge you. Also, What is your PB to J ratio? You feel me? See, I like a little spread of PB and hella J. It'd be like a J with a PB feature. Yeah.